In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can download the Google spreadsheet from the Late Start Professional Learning Feedback Survey into Excel. Once the spreadsheet is in Excel, it's a little easier to sort by your content area if you're interested in looking more closely at your feedback, and it's also much easier to read your comments that were directed to your content area. So that's the purpose of this video. So from the spreadsheet that has all of our responses, you'll click File, Download As, and then choose Microsoft Excel. And you see that my download appeared down here on the left. And by clicking on that, I'm now opened a window in Microsoft Excel. What you'll see here is that this top part is pretty illegible because we have so much data in this spreadsheet. So by clicking on this top left corner box, we'll highlight all the cells, and then on these top rows that are too small to read, you just double click once, and now they've expanded. So now it looks a little bit more comprehensible, but we still have information spread all over the spreadsheet. So if I click in the spreadsheet, you see the brighter colors. And what I want to do is click over here again in this corner box to make sure that I've selected all of the cells in the worksheet. Then I come up here to sort. I click on sort, and I make sure this box is checked. My data has headers. And then in this very first column, I have a choice to sort by. And I'll choose the second question: what content area did you work with today? When I choose that, I hit OK. So now this spreadsheet has been sorted by the answers to question number 2. Now this was a practice spreadsheet, so I only have a few responses that I put in, but after a professional learning, there would be many more responses, and you'd be able to see a number of math responses all grouped together. But these are all grouped by content area now. And so what this enables us to do is, for example, if I want to see all the responses for ELD, for example, these two rows are ELD. Again, in a real professional learning, there'd be many more responses, but you scroll over, now that all the ELD is grouped together, and what I'm looking for are the parts of the spreadsheet right here. These are the answers that in the corresponding rows, and my comments will be the last column here. So by highlighting the column with all of our comments, number one, I can read all my comments, so I could expand these. Again, these are practice comments, so actual comments would be much longer. But then I would be able to see all my comments lined up in this column.